Online business is the new way of running successful businesses. It's such a convenient way of doing commerce that it has completely taken over all the methods we knew before. As an entrepreneur, you have to take advantage of this new business space to keep yourself competitive. Most entrepreneurs cannot maximize on this though, not for the lack of wanting, but the sheer amount of work needed for a thriving online presence is overwhelming. This is what builderall is here for. As a marketing platform, builderall offers a gamut of helpful tools to give you the edge you need to stay competitive. It is a straightforward platform that allows you to reach thousands and spread your brand. In this builderall review, you will learn more about the platform and how it can help you in your business. A solution for the small business getting traction when you are just starting out is tough. Builderall understands this and aims to make things better. You can easily start out on your business idea with a trial website and page builder. With such a web builder you get access to marketing tools, stores, blogs as well as brilliant visuals to boot. Create a smart website for your business. Clients are not very responsive to static pages, in fact they are likely to leave as soon as they get on the site. Builderall lets you create a web page with captivating animations, chat bots, exit intent pop-ups and much more. Here are some new features for 2018 you might have heard about builderall, and what an amazing platform it is, but do you know about the new features the developers have added to the platform for 2018? There are so many improvements, that your website will look brand new when you are done. Expect to find new features such as webinar streaming, social proof tool, a more responsive mobile version, lots of new templates for a wider variety of website designs, auto post tool. There is a lot more to discover once you are using the platform. With everything so straightforward you don't have to be tech savvy to get the professional look for your business. Much cheaper than anything else out there. It wouldn't be fair if the platform offered all these gems for a price that is inaccessible. As a matter of fact, you will realize that builderall offers their services at a fraction of what you are paying for an admission fee that is the price of one tool you get over 20, and the best thing is you get to keep them. Entrepreneurs willing to take the next step and start their journey into online business can claim our special bonus package for getting builderall through the button below. Reach out to the team and find out more. Start your online business today. Start your own dream of making it big with online business today.